Group. Earlier today, the boards of Shriram Transport Finance, Shriram City Union Finance, and Shriram Capital met, wherein they unanimously approved a proposal to merge three companies, paving way for creating what would be largest retail NBFC in the country. In this composite scheme, Shriram Capital Limited, the promoter entity of the group, will merge with Shriram Transport post demerger of all other businesses of the group, namely life insurance, general insurance, and non-lending, non-insurance activity. We would soon be submitting proposal to shareholder of all the three entities and relevant regulators for their consideration. As and when approved, the merged entity will be called Shriram Finance Limited. The merged entity would have a combined AUM over 1,50,000 crore and a customer base over 2.1 crores. A branch and sales network of over 3,500, and all of this would be serviced by the team of over 50,000 employees. The combined entity would be the largest retail NBFC in the country, and it would emerge as number one in commercial vehicle finance, number one in two-wheeler vehicle finance, a leading SME finance company, and a gold loan with the largest and widest network. This will, in essence, make us leading player in all these segments that we choose to operate in. The merger will help us to achieve a significant scale and growth for all our businesses. The synergies will result in incremental positive impact on our bottom line of around 10% post-merger. The common customer and enhanced product suite is just the beginning of synergies. There is a lot more this merger brings forth. The amalgamation helps us scale multi-fold without significant further capex. While we talk about synergies, we cannot ignore the depth of management team between the two companies, which post-merger will lend itself to better talent utilization and management. The depth of management team is clearly validates our belief in nurturing talent over long period. At a leadership level, Mr. Y.S. Chakravarti, currently MD CEO of SCUF, has been inducted into STFC, and once merger takes effect, he would be the MD and CEO of the company. The board of STFC also approved appointment of Mr. Parag Sharma, currently Joint Managing Director and CFO of a company, as a whole-time director in the board. I would continue as Vice Chairman. I have also been inducted in Shriram City Union Finance Board. We will soon reach out to all our shareholders and regulators, NCLT, CCI, RBI, NHB, IRDA, and all various others to seek their approval. We would now run through a small presentation. You want to start here? Let me start with the first agenda, core objectives. The combined entity would be named Shriram Finance Limited, and we will have a new tagline, your partner in prosperity. When we say your, it encompasses everyone, employees, customers, and other stakeholders. We also have a new vision for the company to be the country's most preferred financial service destination, delivering delightful customer experience through empowered employees. This brings to the strength of Shriram, where we have a deep leadership at every level, which across the entities, that will help us to build this large company with effective tools and resources. The superior customer acquisition, engagement and retention would be the idea, where we would believe this large company would be able to grow further, and simplified structure would give us a further scope for us to attract new shareholders. The growth what we would be having because of the combined strength would be immense. With technology being in place, we are also contemplating and have already been in the process of building one app, Shriram One app, which is a super app that is going to help us in building analytics on big data. More than 2 crores consumer what we have will be mined, used to build new products, new product lines, and better service. Another biggest advantage here would be, since we have a multi-product, Shriram Transport being a monoline, we have a counter-cyclical and complementary product line that will help us to manage the risk involved in economic slowdowns. I'll go to the structure now. Now, if you look at the structure, we are trying to make the structure very simple. The complex structure, what was there on the top, through SCL coming and getting merged into STFC, and STFC and City Union Finance are getting merged. The other businesses, life, general insurance, and other non-lending businesses are being carved out separately, and that helps a simplified structure and focused lending activity. Now, this is the presentation is a little different. Okay, now the resultant structure, if you see, SCL, Shriram City Union, merged with STFC, and what comes in STFC is the Shriram Transport and City Union portion of the shareholding in SCL, only that gets merged. So the resultant, the SCL shareholders, resultant company of SCL shareholders get the shares of Shriram Transport and Shriram City Union, and there is no dilution for Shriram Transport Finance company shareholder, Shriram Transport or Shriram City Union. The swap ratio, which is board considered today and approved, is for every one share, of SCF, 1.55 shares of Shriram Transport Finance. And the shareholders of SCL would get 0.097 shares of Shriram Transport share. This is the resultant structure, where Shriram Finance will be held by SOT, SFPL, and other public shareholders. Very simple structure we have.
राइट ये तो बड़ा ट्रांजैक्शन अनाउंस हुआ है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसकी डिटेल्स आ रही हैं, और वाइस चेयरमैन मिस्टर रिवांकर बता रहे थे कि किस तरह से ट्रांजैक्शन बेनिफिशियल होगा पूरे ग्रुप के शेयर होल्डर्स के लिए, वेरियस शेयर होल्डर्स